like to give a special thanks to Mattel for sending some of these dolls to us as a gift for free. It is currently June 1st, like when I'm recording, not probably when you're watching this, and Barbie the movie dolls just dropped. I spent the morning spending way too much money. What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabsome besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. New Barbie the movie dolls are on their way. I saw them this morning, June 1st, on Amazon, Mattel Creations, and Walmart. And I told myself I was only going to buy a few because I don't want a bunch of doubles. There are like 4 Barbies. Then I don't know what happened, and I kind of bought them all, including all 4 Barbies. Yeah, this keeps happening. But in Barbie's defense, they are sold separately. I just want the clothes, which is why I bought this one. For $14.99 on Amazon, we get the same pink boots with a pink ruffled dress that I put on a classic made-to-move Barbie body. A few of the dolls are supposed to arrive soon, so hopefully they will make it into this video. While we wait, let's work on our pool scene. This is the pool we started in this video, and we made this Barbie style inspired pool last year. I can only keep one pool, so we're gonna be pulling this one apart. Space is limited, and renovating helps to keep the cost down, which is a must right now because I just bought all those dolls. And these textured walls might look pretty nice in our new space. But I plan on adding shrubs or plants to the bottom of the wall, so you might not see it, you might not, I don't know. Right now, let's glue these 2 together, then take a second board and I paint them all light pink. I take 2 more boards and glue them together. We're gonna paint this white, making sure to get the edges. I didn't worry about the top too much because we're gonna cover it with like grass. Allow everything to dry, then I glue the large textured pink wall onto the back. I add the other wall onto the side. Then let's glue down grass scrapbook paper. I would love to have like real artificial grass, but I don't have any at the moment, so this is gonna have to do. Actually, scrapbook paper isn't too bad. I picked up these boxwood tiles from Target. They were $3 each, and I'm just going to attach them to the back wall. I used 4, and it was just the right amount. And it totally looks like it's from the movie, or the promo pictures at least. Let's put our pool right next to it. And now we have a bigger outdoor space. I take clear plastic from packaging, cut it to fit over the water so it's a little reflective. Paint a few terracotta pots. While waiting for them to dry, let's glue some artificial plants behind the back wall to look like a palm tree peeking over. Add artificial plants to the pots to add more greenery to this space. Let's bring back our dollar store lounge chair with a small table. Let's take the outdoor furniture set from the dollar store, put it together, and place it on the grass. Let's add some fairy lights for a little ambiance. Let's add a flamingo cup floaty to the pool. I feel like my chair is getting lost in all this white, so I'm adding a little Barbie blanket to break up that space a little. And it kind of reminds me of the pink stone that they have around their pool. Let's replace our large palm with a smaller succulent. It was taking up too much space. And now our outdoor area is complete. It is Friday morning and a few dolls have started to arrive. It's Ken. This doll was $25. I bought it on Amazon. The back of the box shows the house. Ooh, should we have a yellow walkway? I cut yellow craft foam and added to the grass. Not sure if that was needed, but Barbie did it, so it's happening. All right, Ken, you're up. The actor Ryan Gosling plays Ken in the movie with super blonde hair. This doll does have rooted hair. There is some product in it. He has blue eyes, a big toothy grin, comes wearing a pink and green outfit. The top is open with faux buttons, and he has working pockets. But it's not a closed pocket, so hang on to those Corvette car keys. The pants have a snap in the back, and it looks like he has been stitched in. And he comes with a pair of white shoes and a blue surfboard. He has articulation at the neck, the shoulder, the elbow, it's a single hinge, at the wrist, the hip, and he can bend at the knee. No ankle joint. But that's not gonna stop him from chilling. Do I wish this was a made-to-move body? Absolutely. And he looks like he might be a close match for Barbie looks number 18. I'm not gonna do it. But Ken is just gonna step out for a moment. While waiting, let's say hello to a new friend. Priced at $50, this is President Barbie. This is a Barbie signature doll and comes with a certificate of authenticity and a pink doll stand. The inside of the doll box looks like an office. The doll comes dressed in a pink gown with a 2-layer skirt. The top layer is tulle. There are glitter gold details, a pink sash with a gold tassel, a gold-colored necklace, gold earrings that are removable. Her makeup is beautiful. She has dark brown hair with large curls. Some of them have been squished a little in the box. And she comes with the female hero body. So there's movement at the head, the shoulder, that is a muscular arm there, a double hinge at the elbow, movement at the wrist, the hip, and a double joint at the knee. Her foot is on an incline and she wears gold shoes. Oh, and her fingernails are painted pink. So she's kind of close to a made-to-move body. I think she is absolutely beautiful. I love her face. Her dress does Velcro in the back and she is stitched in. And here is the dress without the sash. Someone's at the door. No way! Our Fabsome besties at Mattel sent us Gloria as a gift. Thanks! This is a Barbie signature doll. At Mattel Creations, this doll has a suggested retail price of $50. She comes with a certificate of authenticity, a doll stand. She has dark brown hair with curls in the front. The back is a little flattened, and I assume that's from packaging. But I just combed out the front curls, and it styles pretty easily. She has large gold hoops that are removable. Nice clean makeup with a little gold detail in the corner of the eye. She wears a pink power suit with a pink satin jacket with faux black buttons. We get 3 little buttons on the sleeves and 1 in front. She comes with a pink sleeveless top and wide leg pink striped pants. They do have pockets, so that's pretty cool. And there is a slit at the bottom. Her shoes are absolutely gorgeous and colorful. And this is a petite, made-to-move body. Yeah! And here's the outfit on a classic Barbie, just in case you're interested. It fits pretty good. And I love those shoes. They also sent us Barbie in the plaid dress. Thank you! With a suggested retail price of $50, we get a certificate of authenticity, a doll stand, and a doll. She has curls. This doll comes with a fabric hat. It is pink, blue, and yellow, has a little texture and a ribbon going around it with a bow in the back. It looks like the same fabric is on the crop jacket. There's a faux white button on the sleeve. The pattern goes all the way around. She wears gold and pearl drop earrings, has pink painted fingernails, soft makeup, blonde hair with a side part, a sleeveless top with a bow. There are snaps in the back. The skirt is separate and it has a snap as well. She has a tulle underskirt, undies, and blue heels. She has articulation similar to a Barbie Extra doll with movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, and knee. I put my first Barbie on a made-to-move body, and now we have one with bangs and one without. But we only have space on the shelf for one Barbie. So I switched them. The hands too, because I really like her with the side part. And I kind of switched Ken too, but I honestly think you all saw that coming. It's not a perfect match. It does look better in person, but I'm totally gonna keep him like this. I gelled back his hair. The shirt was a little bit of a challenge to get on, but the shorts were pretty easy. And here are the shoes. Barbie and Ken. Oh, they're a cute couple. Last but not least, the Barbie Hot Wheels Corvette just arrived from Amazon. Now, there are two cars. One is an RC car, this one, at about $55, and the second one is priced around $75. It looks like we need 7 AA batteries. The car can sit 2 dolls. I'm liking the details on the tires. Here's the front of the car, here's the side, and here's the back. The trunk can open, and there are sticker details inside. We also get a pink Barbie controller, so we can make the car go. It's fast! Wow! There are seatbelts and a white and pink interior. And I totally can't wait to see more. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at some of the dolls from Barbie the movie and added to our very pink house. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of My Froggy Stuff. And we will see you next time. Bye!
사라지겠죠.